Fayzullayev Abbosbek qanday qonuniy nikohingiz tantanali ravishda qayd etildi va shu daqiqadan e'tiboran sizlarni bir oila, Fayzullayevlar oilasi deb e'lon qilaman.
Before I knew your voice, I prayed your heart. Through quiet nights, though miles apart, I asked the Lord for someone true, and all along He made you. Now every vow we speak is true. God heard our hearts.
Dahshat chiqdi aka, video kreativniy chiqdi. Ana stadionlar, anlarning qo'shgani вообще. Yoqdi, rahmat katta.